It's hoped a free public emergency alerting service which sends automatic messages via mobile and email could help save lives. Dunedin company Lert Info has developed an electronic warning system which gives subscribers information about impending dangers and emergency updates following events such as earthquakes or tsunami. The company's been working with emergency organisations, and Director Stuart Gunn says he hopes to get endorsement from Emergency Management Southland. Work on the system began a decade ago and sees local information sent to subscribers via text or email.
We get our information from Civil Defence. We work very closely with several branches of Civil Defence New Zealand. Police, weather, we use Weather Watch in Auckland for a lot of our information, and the Met Service. We gather information from councils, from the public health sector. So whenever information comes through from any of those sources, we evaluate it, see if it's urgent or whether it needs to be sent out to people. As example, public health notices on toxic shellfish poisoning. We sent messages out on that because we know up in the Bay of Plenty people gather shellfish. So we get that information, send it out, and then if there's an update of something getting worse, we'll update that alert as well. But we generally don't follow on to say all's clear unless it's something like a major road being closed for a while and then reopened.
So how did this concept come about?
It was thought up about 10 years ago, and it was presented to a couple of governments at the time, and they sort of liked the idea but couldn't see it really working. And initially we decided, well, the public deserved to be informed, so we looked at a business model and looked at it from a commercial point of view. And after it had been partway through design, we thought, well, it's better to send it out as a free service, a public service, and gather as much information as we can from all these different sources, because at that point no one was doing anything like that. Currently we are the only ones doing this sort of service, and we're the only ones able to do it because we're covered by a patent, but it's more for keeping control in the situation so that cowboy organisations don't come in and sidetrack the whole process and start causing confusion in the marketplace.